You should not have more files also. Actually, I have also should delete this, because if you are having more, your system will become slow. So wherever you want to create a folder, just right click. Okay, right click using mouse, then come to new, then create folder. Can you see here folder is created? You can name it whatever name you can. If you want, you can give it. Simply I am giving cat. Suppose I want to delete this folder, okay, because it is in desktop. The same rule, right click, delete. Okay, rename. If you want to rename this, you can rename. So I want to delete, I am deleting. But where you should create your folder, go to PC. There will be a computer symbol, click on that. Inside only you have to create a folder. Now you can see some drives. You should not create in C drive. Okay, D, E, F. So these three, if you are having two drives also no problem. You should not create in C. So I am going to create in F. So click on F drive. It's called drive. Okay. Now same thing. See already here new folder. If you click this also will come. Suppose if you don't have this, click right click, then new. Can you see this new? Then new, click on folder. You can see here new folder. So you want to rename that. So right click, everything right click only. So rename. So I am going to name with my name. You can name with your Bhuvana. So you can name with your name, and we are going to do paint project. So paint. So you'll be doing at least 10 projects in MS Paint. So create a folder with your name and paint. Okay, you have to show this also what folder you have created. Next thing, go to search. Okay, and type as paint. See, this is paint. So click on this paint. Last year you would have learnt MS Paint, but this time projects will be different. So here you can see so many tools, everything we are going to explore, but the first project is, from this you have to choose all the shapes. Try to include all the shapes. You have to draw all the shapes. So I am clicking first circle. So I am going to include all the shapes. See, I have drawn all the shapes. Now you have to fill color. So which symbol you should go? Bucket. Fill color. So each shape you have to give different colors. See, fill color. Now select one color. Suppose if you are not satisfied with this color, click here. You will get more colors. So in this also you can select. Suppose I am clicking red color. I want yellow. So you can do this. See, now it's very colorful. So like this you have to do different colors you can do. You can select many shapes. So try this. And you have to send this picture also, and the folder created also picture you have to send. You may think MS Paint what is the use, but actually many of your worksheets I am sending, right? Filling colors, everything I am doing with MS Paint only. Slowly you will learn that. Now we have done the paint, right? How to save this in folder? Even this background color also you can give. Suppose I want to give a light color, I can give this background color here, fill color. See, like this also you can give. Now I want to save. Go to file. Always file. Save as. Okay, not save. Save as. Then you can select the second one, JPEG picture. This will be very good quality will be there. So click on this. When you click, it will ask where you want to save. There you have to search your folder. Where we kept our folder? I have kept in F drive, and I have paint. So here you can give us today date. Which date you are doing? 17 means 17, or 18 means 18. So you can create, or whatever name, paint 1 you can give. Better we will give us paint 1. Paint 1. Then save it. So if you go there, your picture will be there. So like this you have to save in your folder all the projects.